kind of welcome they gave us shows a lot about how much they are waiting for somebody to, come into their lives. Very, very welcoming. I could see the smiles on their faces, and more importantly, to welcome us into their households, open their kitchens and open their rooms is something unheard of. Even in our families doesn't happen. So I feel it's a great feeling. Personally, the joy is surmounted. Absolutely.
So roughly around 1 kilowatt of solar setup. This will be added to 2 batteries of 150 ampere RE.
So this opportunity gives the experience to feel that up close. So that's what brings me here, to understand the livelihood of people in such remote locations where we're just few kilometers away from the border, and people have never seen electricity. This is something that we can't imagine. After so many decades of independence, there are villages which are still not electrified. So experiencing it upfront, up close, is an experience that cannot be done watching TVs. These things, it has to be experienced.
I think it is very enjoyable, and we will all have good fun while we work, and we learn in the process how we collaborate, how we get the team together, work with the villagers, understand what are their needs, and then finally deliver the outcome that will be acceptable to them and make them happy, and give them joy in their lives.
During the day, we kind of spend the entire day in fixing up the solar panels, electrifying many of the houses. So it required the installation of wiring in 4 or 5, in 3 rooms per se, 5 lights, LED lights to be installed. Oh, great experience, great experience.
So if you see, each household has 2 stoves, right? So we had to talk to the families and convince them to get at least 1 stove removed and replace that with the smart stove. So the advantage that this smart stove was bringing is it emits less smoke, and the thermal capacity is also far more enhanced, so the heating is much more quicker. And while it's not replacing the firewoods that is needed to burn, but it is reducing it by 50%, which itself is a first step towards lot of the efficiency that we are trying to bring in.
Beyond the Boardroom has become one of the, I would say, most looked forward program between the leaders, because this time through the registrations itself we can figure out in terms of nominations. We got a lot of nominations as compared to last year. We had to filter it out considering the number of slots we have. So hopefully next year we might have more slots, more leaders coming up.
Meghalaya!